daw ng bangko, and also sa economic, sa atong na gobyerno na or sa normal na tao. And also number 6, we will develop critical digital literacy skills in IT, basic IT competencies. Like for example, mga basics nga offices, like how you create a simple document, how to calculate using the Excel, how to create an interactive PowerPoint presentation. So, first year naman ang subject naman sa medyo under. Diba? So, sa subject ito, you discuss about the same Japan, di ba? Word, Excel, and also a PowerPoint presentation. So, that's the first year mo. So, na-discuss about that. So, may idea na ako to create. So, we'll innovate that. May iba na lang skills nyo kung ano ma-add so ma-develop that. And also number 7, promote responsible, ethical, and safe use of technology. So how to become responsible user of technology? Nang sample sa Facebook, may mga post na pangguba. So become a responsible user of technology or the internet. Number 8, enable students to understand the significant role of IT in shaping the world. Paano ang important siya sa IT? Paano nabuo ang ikuan sa atong na panahon subok? Paano na-shape sa IT or technology? Ang atong nga modern world subok using that technology. And number 9, empower learners to navigate and contribute confidently and effectively in an increasingly digital society. So, yung mga learners or students, you will learn and also navigate how to contribute confidently, effectively sa atong na panahon sa puro technology naman. So, how will you learn? How you will contribute? So, we'll tackle about that. How to become a responsible user. How to use ang basic components of computer. How to power on, power off. So, we will tackle about that in this subject. Sige diyan. Medyo lasing ko mabalik. Medyo lasing. I-minimize na lang natin. Okay, so hindi na objectives tab. Tignan mo lang. Gets? So may questions? Okay, next naman atong na grading system. So quizzes is 20%, assignment 10%. Class participation, 10%. So, ang class participation, mahulog na siya sa inyong attendance. So, ka-participate mo sa klase, simply attend mo sa klase. Next naman is ang number project, 10%. May project na every term na, may idea ka mo. And then examination, 50%. So, dako exam. Hindi mo naman dako exam, masunod ka mo every examinations na. So, ano siya? Okay ka sa grading system? Okay, hindi? Okay. Okay, next naman ang nga classroom rules. So, number 1. Number 1. Respect others. So, be kind. Respectful to your classmates, teachers, and also mga school staff. Ibig sa mga utility, you need to respect that. Dahil school staff sila. Also your classmates, miss kami na kamupot. Respetuhan na ilang. Kung saan ko ba, sabihin na ikamupot sa ako. Respeto ka. Okay. Number 2. Na may late Monday, may early sicknesses. Ito may late. Kaya, late ka, pero may. So, the class